Hello and welcome to Paris Creativity. So on today's tutorial, we'll be taking you on a simple procedure on how to make this simple UI/UX design UI design on PixelLab. Alright, let's go. I know you must have seen this in most design. Like, let's go to our gallery. Let me just pick a design from where we can see this. Okay, now this is what I mean. You must have seen this in most design where they just use this pattern and create something. This is exactly what we are looking at. This is exactly what we are looking at. So if you can look at our screen, this particular thing I'm trying to show you here, these beans, yeah, that's what we're going to create today. All right, let's delete this and start with a first screen. But this can also be called the value difference morphism, which is the difference of value between tone of color and a shade of color. You can read up to that, but just a simple trick on this: a shade is colors like black, while a tone colors like ash. So moving straight to a default white color, which is already, so we have to cast tone on it. Going next, say we add ash to this or these two. Okay, I think this is okay. Now bringing out our boss from our shape. Let's take the blur radius to 10, or let's say 11. Clicking OK. Now if you watch this, you will notice that there's a difference between there's like a shadow weak, there's a shadow reflection coming from it. Now this is advisable that when you have a kind of effect, you don't add more shadow to this. So this is what we are going to try to achieve, and this is what we call the value difference morphism. All right, we copy this and copy and edit. Turning on our grid lines, only on the magnet. We just reduce this and reduce a bit further. Okay, just reduce again. Alright, then remember we are adding color, so let's add a black one, ash color, to this. Alright, perfect. I think I need to work on the background option. Let's change that color. Alright, so our effect can be small scene. Going back to our edit, now we can just take this up. Now in order to give, click OK, click off this. Now if you should watch closely, you will notice that this edge is also curved. Now how to remove that is easy. Same thing. Now edit. Now we're moving over to our gradient. Clicking on the plus button. It's already the vertical on the vertical already. So what you have to do is just switch it using this option here. Click here and drag this to this point. Alright, this point is okay. Clicking these and clicking on the color. The transparency just to the down to the end. Take the node to the end. Click OK. Drag this close to this. Let it overlap. Let it overlay on it, and there you have it. There you have it. Right now, let's add our image. We're using the texture in order to add the images. Texture this. Alright, so we have to just crop this down to an appropriate size where it can be used exactly. Clicking OK, then we can choose to increase this. Alright, okay. Then for the text, you can do edit the text, add text, and write the mind. The font used there was the Montserrat extra bold. Right, let me just type in Montserrat extra bold, and okay. Change the color to black. Sorry, the color to a default black, and we reduce the size. Alright, so this is okay. Relative position to the center. Okay, we just have that. We can copy this again, place here, and change it. The brain. Let's call it the creative. Brain box. Okay, clicking on our text to change the. Alright, then we change this to. Now we are still using the same one, and then this is where we come to hierarchy in design. The first, which is our major layer of emphasis, so we just click on this. Now we're using either this, the semi-bold, or the medium, because it's like a subtitle to that. So reduce this down to good. We have to reduce this again, and let's add
exclusive from just.
Alright, and there you have it. You can choose to adjust this folder. Go to your edit, take this here, take this here. Perfect. Alright, so you can then save to our gallery. Tap on the save, and remember to always leave it at the ultra mode. Thank you. Then click on save, and it saves. Alright, hope you learned something from this. Thank you, and do wait to subscribe to Paris Creativity, like this video, and share to your lovers if this was helpful, and share to others also. Thank you.